For the upholstered furniture industry, when processing multi-style and small batch orders where different patterns need to be cut on one extra long marker, the Raziagain multicolor projection sorting laser cutting machine enables rapid spreading and cutting, assisting workers in quickly sorting cut pieces. The machine features constant tension automatic material feeding, with fabric auto edge alignment as it enters the cutting area. The Raziagain super nesting system supports segmented mixed nesting of different patterns on a single marker, improving fabric utilization rate. Equipped with the self-developed Raziagain laser positioning cutting system, the machine performs automatic segmented cutting in accordance with the generated marker files. Synchronized UV invisible marking sprays identification information onto cut pieces to distinguish components of different patterns. Once cutting is done, materials are automatically conveyed to the material receiving area. The multicolor projection sorting system projects information onto corresponding cut pieces based on marker file data, facilitating operators to rapidly sort and pick cut pieces. The semi-enclosed cutting area adopts an eco-friendly design, which delivers efficient fume extraction while protecting the surrounding environment. The Raziagain multicolor projection sorting laser cutting machine is an ideal production assistant for upholstered furniture manufacturing.